planning a nonprofit event? Feeling totally overwhelmed? Juggling volunteers, sponsors, budgets, and outreach, nonprofit events can get chaotic fast. Let's bring some order to the madness. Before we jump in, we've put together a full blog to help you out. It's called Nonprofit Event Planning, the Ultimate Checklist for Success. The link's waiting for you in the description. All right, let's build a planning template that's tailored for nonprofit teams, no matter your size or budget. Step 1. Map out your mission and goals. Start by grounding your event in purpose. What's the mission? Is it to raise funds, increase awareness, or build community? Let this guide every decision. Step 2. Break the event into phases. Split your event timeline into clear stages: planning, promotion, execution, and follow-up. This gives your team structure and prevents burnout. Step 3. Assign owners for every task. Nonprofits run lean, so don't let things fall through the cracks. In your template, list tasks with clear deadlines and responsible team members or volunteers. Step 4. Track budget and donations in one place. Build in a section for tracking your budget, in-kind donations, and sponsor contributions. Keep your financials transparent and easy to access. Step 5. Plan for post-event impact. A great nonprofit event doesn't end when guests leave. Add space to log outcomes, thank supporters, and track what worked and what needs fixing next time. There you have it, a simple, adaptable template built to help your nonprofit team plan smarter, not harder. Want to learn more about nonprofit event planning? Head to the blog, links in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck planning your next event for impact. Subscribe for more nonprofit planning tools.